I held the world in both my hands, afraid to lose you, time demands. But what I own can make me whole. The richest gold is in my soul. The worth I see can't fade away. It's not in what I earn or say. I build my life from what is real, a heart that learns, a will that heals. I've chased control through fear and pride, but truth was waiting